Alright, here's a quick update on the dome lighting. I've got the powercell animating like I like it. I've got two eye lights, and then this one I have cycling on and off, like 5 minutes off, 1 minute on, and it's a white light. I don't know if it's going to stay that way, we'll see. So inside the dome here is the circuit. I've got see if I can focus, an Arduino that's in this little bracket that has a couple of connectors that go to the power cell and the three lights, and then there's a 2200 milliamp USB charger, and should last a good while. This thing's not drawing a lot of power, so I'm pretty pleased with how it's come out. It's nice and compact and easy to service.